How to view pending transactions in Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see transactions that haven't posted yet, well here is how to check pending transactions on Discover Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here simply log in with your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, you simply have to select the account you want to check like checkings, savings or credit card and after that you have to scroll down to the transaction section to see all your activity and there you can see the pending transaction will be listed separately from posted transactions often labeled as pending and there you can click any pending transaction to see details like date, merchant and amount but keep in mind that pending transactions may take a few days to post to your account balance. And that's it. That's how you can view pending transactions in Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.